Hey students again. Thanks in advance for being flexible, and hopefully you are keeping up to date with what I am posting on Google Classroom, as well as taking a look at these videos that I am making for you to hopefully clear up any confusion that you may or may not have to some of these adjustments. So yesterday I spent some time creating the agenda for you guys, posting the assignments, and then obviously creating a video that went over what we were going to do for the next 2 weeks. About a half an hour after I had posted all of that, we got new information from the school regarding e-learning days. So what you will see in this video and with your new agenda matches those adjustments. So a couple of things to explain to you right off the bat. We have switched the schedule to block days. And then Fridays, so block days will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Fridays are going to be teacher planning days, which this gives you an extra day during the week to get caught up on some extra work, turn some stuff in maybe that you couldn't get turned in that week, and then a day for us to also plan for the following week and get some assignments that you're turning in graded. So what you will see in the agendas that I'm posting is I will outline the even classes and the odd classes on the appropriate days, but instead of doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday as 8-period days, we are trying to eliminate you feeling overwhelmed or giving you so much work that you can't keep up. So I think block days will be a good way to balance the work that we are given. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this new agenda that I will be posting here after I upload this video. If you guys go to Classroom and you scroll down, you will see the agenda that I posted yesterday. The adjustments have been made to this agenda, so you should only see the updated agenda throughout our Google Classroom. I have also kept all of the assignments posted, even if we are not going to get to all of those in the next couple of weeks, which you'll see why here in a second. Okay, so please make sure you guys take a look at this message that I posted to Google Classroom earlier this morning, talking about the adjustments that Mr. Kilgore had sent out to all of the school community. It talks about the remote learning days and what block days look like and teacher planning days. Okay, so for our new agenda, what you'll see Tuesday and Wednesday are still just going to be catch-up days. Okay, some of you guys were getting caught up on stuff yesterday, which is amazing, but still just continue to work on these assignments right here. Okay, then if we continue to scroll down, you will see that I have broken up the days by odd classes and by even classes. So if you have me for Global Studies 5th hour, this is the column that you're going to look at. If you have me for Global Studies 6th hour, this is the column that you are going to look at. And so what I have also done is I put the dates over here on the left hand side, and then I've also outlined, so Thursdays are going to be your odd classes, Friday your even classes. So hopefully once we go through this in a couple of weeks, you guys will get a better idea of how we're doing these block days. Now obviously we still are waiting to hear from the state on what this will look like in long term, because as of right now we are supposed to be sheltering in place until April 7th. So keep that in the back of your minds, and obviously Mr. Kilgore will continue to keep us posted via emails. So let's take a look. Odd classes, our first odd block day is going to be Thursday, April 2nd. So for those classes, you guys are going to complete your vocabulary worksheet. And then even classes are going to be Friday, April 3rd. You guys are going to start your vocabulary worksheet. Then on Monday, April 6th, we go back to odd block day. So 1, 3, 5, and 7. You guys will be finishing up your vocabulary worksheet, and this is due on April 8th, which is our next odd block day. For even block days, you guys will continue to work on your vocabulary worksheet Tuesday, April 7th, and this will be due on April 9th. So on April 8th and April 9th, even in odd classes, you guys will start your intro to debate reading. So that'll be due then the following week, probably April 14th or April 15th. I'll keep you posted. But please just pay attention to the column that is specific to whatever class you have me, even or odd, and then the dates are over here. If that format is is hard for you to understand, I've also created an alternative formatted agenda down here so you can see the day by day, the block schedule breakdown, and what is due and what should be being worked on. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Obviously, if you have questions, please send me an email and let me know. You guys have been very, very good about getting stuff turned in and communicating, and that is what's going to make this the easiest and most adaptable for us. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.